If there are people who think I'm building this flying boat mainly by making it up as I go along, you'd be right. I can produce loose drawings, but I cannot work out if a certain framework is going to be rigid enough just by a drawing. What might look good on paper often isn't in the real world. I'm using what experience I have to make decisions. Some things might still have to be changed, but when it's finished, only then would I be able to draw it. Thanks very much to Martin Garish for spending loads of his time working out the expected flight characteristics. Things like yaw and pitch response rate, static and dynamic stability, expected takeoff speed and tons of other parameters. A fantastic insight into what to expect. I would also like to thank the YouTube channel Helished for my fantastic mug he sent me. I really enjoy his channel as he's so funny to watch. Check him out. Night.